Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be a Zara haul. I got so many beautiful pieces of Zara. This is a Zara fit itself. Zara top available currently. The trousers I'm not sure as I got them a year and a half ago. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, tell me your favorite outfit, what I should keep, what I shouldn't, and let's get into this video. Oh, and this ring that I got, really pretty, right? Oh, don't look at my nails though, they're so bad. I always have terrible nails. Like, I have them nice for like one day and then they go terrible. But this ring is from Dorothy Perkins, really cute. So, a cute little blue satin dress. I'm definitely in a blue mood today. Oh, but not a sad blue mood. But I really like it. It's quite cute, very simple in the front, and then it's just got this like wraparound collar. Size small and £30, I think quite reasonable. And then the back, it has like a diamante in the middle and then the two straps on the side. And then the label, unfortunately, where did it go? Okay, that's the diamante in the middle. Don't think I can get the label, but yeah, I think it's quite cute. Something simple if you just want to wear some really nice, like outrageous high heels, or just keep it really casual. So another blue satin dress, this time a little different. It's like a shirt dress. I'm not in love with the front because it's really loose and I'm struggling to get structure from this dress. It's £50 but in a size small. I think it's just, I guess you can wear a pin, to be honest, you can wear a pin. I just would not feel comfortable without something there to keep it closed. So it's a wraparound dress, so you wrap it here on this side. I put a little bow, but now just take it out. Material doesn't need an iron, of course. Has a pocket. I don't know who would be using that. I guess you could put your card there, no one would really notice it. The color is gorgeous though, my skin. It looks incredible. And the material feels really soft on the skin, which I like as well. It's a nice length. Size small and £50. For me, I still like that black dress that I got in the previous, the video that I had, the long black one. That was like £27. Whereas I can get two of those for the same price of one, which I'm not that in love with. So it's going to be a no for me. I really like this cutout top. It's got a nice bun in the front. I'm wearing a bra that has like the invisible strap. You can make the top tighter with this part, but I have no one to help me, so it's a bit of a struggle. Love the skirt detail, although it's a little bit tight for me. I do have, you know, some hips, but really love the look. It's actually really, really nice. Didn't think I was actually going to like it, but I would wear it exactly like this, like have my hair slicked back in a little bun. This, and then shoes. I would wear heels with them. I don't own heels this color though. I need to buy some heels. But yeah, this is really, really lovely. Really, really cute. Really love it. Let me show you the back so you can see. You can tie it up and make it looser or tighter depending on your preferences. It is in a size small. And it's £30, which I think is really reasonable because the material is great. Like, you got this effect where you can like ruche it up more, make it like what's the word, shorter if you want. I like the fact that it's adjustable. This bra is also amazing. Everyone needs a bra like this that's like got the invisible clear like straps. It's incredible. I think I got it from M&S. That's where I generally get all my bras because they're great quality and they last long, and they can be fairly priced if you go to the M&S outlet. They're like around everywhere. But yeah, this piece, like it. I'm in love with cream and white. My mom always says it, and it's so funny. I don't know why, I just love white and cream. This is a really cool two-piece. I just thought it'd be nice to wear around the house and just look cute, but the shorts are too small, or they're too tight for my thighs. Zara just is telling me that I need to get medium in certain things, and other things telling me to get extra small. Zara sizing is just off the chain. Both £20, both a size small. Thought it would be cute around the house, but reality is it's just not working. I really like the stitching effect that you have on the sides here. and then like here as well. It's really cute, but lacks practicality, too tight around the thighs, and yeah, it's just not, no, it's really cute though. I really like it. So I also got a nice long pink dress, kind of knitted effect, perfect for the season if you want to still be girly and dressy, but as it gets colder you want to keep warm. I would just add like a leather jacket and black boots. If I can find a long black jacket, then maybe I will do that instead, because I only have a brown one, which could still work. But yeah, quite nice, very simple and girly, but really still feminine, and I like that. And the color is not too pink, like it's not really like bright, you know, hot pink or baby pink. It's quite a neutral pink, so I do think it is still like age appropriate. It could be worn for different ages. You will feel comfortable wearing it. Yeah, really like it. It's lovely. Size small, and it's £28. So here is my next piece. It's too much of a deep V for me to be able to wear it by itself, but it's a knit dress, £30, and I actually got it in a size extra small. I'm even surprised that it can fit, because I was thinking, oh my gosh, why did I get extra small? I should have got a small. Love the color fit, so girly and feminine. I'm not sure how it works with this. I think I can just about get away with it. But what shoes would I wear? Like white high heels, I guess? I'm not really sure. But I'm not in love with it. That's the honest truth. Although it looks really cute. Yeah. Cute outfit. Not in love with it though. I feel like I've been in my little sister's wardrobe and tried to put on her clothes, and yeah. This is a size small. Oh my gosh, Zara's calling me like fat. Like, I'm a size small, Zara. Like, what are you trying to say? These are so tight. Oh my gosh, it looks so bad. The top is fine-ish. Okay, this is a no. It's no. It's £26 each, I think. Yeah, £26 each. Size small in the top and size small in the trousers. I have nothing to say. I really love this as a dinner vacay outfit after the beach. You could literally put your swimming costume underneath this and then just put this on top and feel elegant and regal, and just, you know, with your gold jewellery, and just be fabulous. It's £50. The smallest size was a size small. So you've got this like simple orange like bodycon, and then the extra material on top that just gives it the extraness. Really cool. Just match it with some gold accessories and gold shoes. I have gold sandal heels, like block heels, that I would wear this. And again, as I said, on holiday, whether you're going to Dubai, which I may be going to, I'm not sure, it's kind of up in the air, or if you're like in the Bahamas or like Caribbean island, even in Greece, just somewhere where you'll be hot in the night time, you wear your bikini underneath and then you put this on top. You're elegant. I got this top. I actually got in a size medium, not sure why, but it's actually kind of cute. It's £15. It's a bit lumpy here because I'm not wearing a strapless bra, but yeah, I think it's actually really cute. I really like it. Pretty nice. And £15 is a good, it's an okay price. I would go back and try and get small. I think probably a small is out of stock, but yeah, I'll try maybe in the store because I do like this. Anyways, so that is the end of my Zara haul. That was interesting. Did I like anything in there? Oh, I'm just trying to remember, to be honest. My memory is terrible. The orange dress was really nice. Yeah, that was very pretty. I was really upset about that 2 piece. Well, it's quite funny. Anyways, I enjoyed the haul. I hope you enjoyed the haul. And I hope you like my next one.